Pranam Swamiji. My name is Shri.
And the person who asked the question just earlier, his name was also Shri. Yes.
So Thakur Sri Ramakrishna says in the Gospel or in the Kathamrita, some people have to fulfill desire to pursue, I'll say it in Bengali, and then kichu loker bhog na hole jog hoy na. So some people have to consume before they are ready to renunciate, ready to renounce. So Thakur says some people. So, right off the bat, he must be talking about me. But is that not, short of the avatar, is that not everyone at some point of their evolution?
Yes, pretty much so. All of us. The reason we are here is because we want to experience. What's the very nature of desire? I, the awareness, the consciousness, would like to experience this object. It could be a thing, it could be a cookie, it could be a job, it could be a vacation, it could be a person, a relationship, it could be earth or heaven. I want to experience this. This desire to experience particular things is what drags us from lifetime to lifetime. What's wrong with this? As long as I want to experience particular things, I will be in a particular name and form and a shape. And I will experience those things. And nothing is free. I'll be caught in the cycle of causality. I will set into motion these forces which will give me what I want, but I will also bind myself to that. To experience life in this form, I must have a body. To have a body, I must go through birth and aging and eventual death. It's not a free lunch. So causality, setting into motion causality, we are trapped in it. That good, bad, none escape the law. Whosoever wears a form wears the chain too. We are put on a form, then we are wearing a chain. There's a lot of past karma behind it. And it will give rise to some of the things which we desired at some time. Say, I didn't want this. No, we did. We've just forgotten. We ordered, and we looked at the menu and ordered. Now it's coming. But this divine restaurant, the waiters take a pretty long time. And by the time it comes around, we have forgotten what we ordered. So it's coming to us. And it's not exactly what we hoped or what we wanted. And that's the reality check we have to all undergo. And then we want more things, more variety of things. And everything that we want, we will keep getting. Swami Vivekananda said, never desire anything, for you will get it. If you get it, you're trapped in causality. So we must free ourselves from this. Vivekananda says, thine only is the hand that holds the rope that drags thee on. Now what is the way out? Let go thy hold, sannyasi bold. Say Om Tat Sat Om. Now letting go thy hold, that is renunciation. First of all, I must be convinced of the reality of spiritual life. Then only I can renounce. Renounce does not mean, oh, this is all awful, I give it up. That's the straight way to depression and unhappiness. You have nothing higher to look forward to in life. Then it's depression, unhappiness, alienation. Spiritual people are not depressed or unhappy. They are seeking something higher. A young man became a monk. His classmates, friends asked him, why do you want to give up all these things? Why do you want to become a monk? What do you want? Why are you giving up all these things? And he said, his answer was so perceptive. He said, I want everything. It sort of naturally came out. I want everything. This is a very truthful thing to say. I don't want particular small things. I would just want all of it. That's why you let go your hold on particular things. Now, that takes experience. For most of us, we have to experience something in life. All of that which we are going through, once we become spiritual seekers, we want moksha, liberation, nirvana, then all of this seems to be unnecessary bother. The thing is, we have ordered all this and it will keep coming to us, what we have ordered. Now, the way out is, if we are no longer particularly interested in this life and its people and activities and objects, then what do we do? Let go of it, go up to the mountain tops and be a hermit? That's one way out. But that's not possible for many people. Many people are in fact so caught by their past karma that they can't do this. It's not possible. It's not possible. Prince Siddhartha and being a Buddha, giving up everything, walking away from the palace, that is possible for Siddhartha, but not for everybody. Yashodhara, his wife, and they had a child, Rahula, she wouldn't have been able to do that because the child was there. It would have been heartbreaking for her to give up the child for her own spiritual quest. Ultimately, however, they did become spiritual seekers, both Yashodhara and Rahula. Now, then what do we do? If we cannot actually give up, either I don't have the time, energy, it's not appropriate for me, already I'm committed to a family, it's not practically possible for me to become a monk. If you force it, you'll very quickly realize that that was not the way. Because by being a monk like that, sitting on the mountaintop, and then you suddenly realize nothing is working out. Even that is not working out. I don't feel like meditating. I fall asleep when I meditate. And then the mosquitoes come and bite me. So there'll be problems associated with that lifestyle also. So the intelligent thing to do, and what Vedanta advises is, once I decide that no, my goal is no longer these limited pleasures and activities and these limited goals which society puts forward before me, my goal is God realization. In the Vedantic sense, in the Buddhistic, Christian sense, whichever sense, every religion has it at its core, this mystical option, this spiritual option. I won't say mystical, spiritual option. That the highest goal is open to you, want it. Now what do? Use the life as it is right now. Make changes, whatever changes you can make. The people around you, your circumstances right now, start spiritual practice there itself. Try to spiritualize that life. If you are at home and you can't leave home, turn the home into an ashram. If you have a job which you are holding and you cannot afford to let go of the job, turn the job into karma yoga. Are there people around you, you can't run away and be a monk? Then see divinity in those people and the duties that we have, the obligations that we have, we discharge those obligations as a spiritual practice. And also take an audit of our lives. How much time is spent in nonsense? A lot of things become nonsense once we realize my goal is God realization. There's no more purpose, no point to those activities, and then cut down on those. You'll have quite a lot of free time, psychic energy, and actually time energy left over, and that you can direct towards your study, your meditation, your prayer. Divinize life, spiritualize life itself.